Going snorkeling is one of the greatest experiences that you will ever have in the water, but you need a snorkel face mask to enjoy the mesmerizing marine life. So let's take a look at this video with the 5 best products. The H2O Ninja Go Pro secures the 5th position. This full-face snorkeling mask is designed to make snorkeling effortless and natural. The unique full-face design of the H2O Ninja mask will let you breathe normally under the water, just the same as you would on land. The H2O Ninja mask uses a snug, full-face seal to establish a clear airway between the entire mask and the surface, which is further protected by the integrated snorkel's one-way ball valve. At number 4, we have the Reef AntiFog. The 4 valves make this easy-to-breathe snorkel perfect for seeing 180 degrees underwater. It provides clarity while maintaining both comfort and the natural breathing function. It includes a complete kit which consists of a combo of 2 different sets of earplugs to make sure they fit you perfectly. A handy travel bag as well as spare seals are also included. Up next, we have the Wildhorn Outfitters Seaview 180. The 180 full-face design makes it easier than ever to breathe comfortably through your mouth or nose while snorkeling. The dry snorkel technology stops salt water from getting in your mouth and prevents gagging. The anti-fog design features a separate breathing chamber that creates an airflow away from your main viewing visor that helps eliminate fogging and will keep you snorkeling longer. The Tribeboard Easy Breath bags the 2nd position. This full mask enables natural breathing through the nose or mouth. There's an exclusive breath ventilation concept to prevent fogging. It features 180-degree fields of vision and a shatterproof polycarbonate window for added safety. The snorkel top can be seen from 4 times further away than a traditional snorkel. On the top of the list, we have the Ocean Reef Aria. The Aria allows you to breathe through your nose, while the dry top prevents water from getting in the snorkel. Aria has the largest field of vision of any mask out there. Aria full-face snorkeling mask offers a wide range of accessories. Aria is equipped with a dock for sports cameras, so you can record and relive your experience anytime. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.